Hi again, this is Slavek, and in this video we will have a look on the second scenario related to the service desk operation. And this one is particularly interesting because it will not only be about service desk, it will be about how the service desk operators interact with the development team to resolve the bug. So, okay, let's get started. And we will start similarly as in the previous script. We will get a report from the client, so sending a very informative email that I found a bug. Similarly, as the last time, we will help the system to get the email and process it into the ticket immediately. Give it one more second before the email comes. It is here. Okay, so I have possible bug in the system. I go back, and now I'm logged again as under my personal account, but I would like to process it correctly, so I will use Mary, the service desk operator, again. So logging in, she can see it on a home page because tickets is her work, or she can go to the shared help desk dashboard, but we see the possible bug here. So I'm opening that up. And I'm sorry, I opened the project, so going back to the ticket itself. Again, Mary probably starts with that assigning this task to herself. So task is assigned, Mary is the person on top of it. And now Mary is investigating the very informative message from the client, and she finds out that this is really a bug. For this purpose, we have here the little button, it's a bug. So I'm pressing that, and I see that the system is asking me for some further details. So Mary will enrich the message to describe the use case, the user story for the bug. Additionally, Mary would like to inform the client, and she can use this simple selection here that the ticket was qualified as a bug. So I'm saving it, and a couple things happen. The ticket is now under the tracker of bug, so it is in backlog of the developers. At the same time, the client got notification that the ticket was qualified as a bug, so client sees that it is progressing well. And Mary is not anymore assignee because now it is backlog on the developers. So with this, the work of Mary is done, and we will look on the work of developers. So to do that, I'm logging in as my developer. My developer might be notified about that there is a new bug because he works on that, but he has also quick access to the same dashboard, seeing the new bug right here. And first thing that Mike needs to do is that assign it to himself. Depends on different procedures. Somebody shall set up the branch. In our case, we will just do it right here. So I can set up a branch in SCM right from here, selecting the repository, creating the branch. Now on the task, I see newly created data from the GitHub integration, and I can be taken directly to the branch. I will do the code. I will just correct the version, and I will do the commit, and that's important because directly from here I can may use the integration to pass the data back to Easy8 and logging time at the same time, so I can commit the change. Now I will have a look what happens on the task. I will reload it. So as I see on the task right here, something changed. I see that the status changed into in progress because I am coding already My spend time is being logged, and to finish my work, I shall merge the request. I will open up the integration here. The match request is not set up here. I can create the match request right from here. You can see there is again appearing here, and in order to finish it, I need to finish the request. So I'm marking as ready. Needs to be it needs to be updated, and I click merge. At this point of time, basically, Mike finished his job, and other roles will take place. So let's have a look back into Easy8 where we are right now, and I am refreshing the task right now. So after refresh, I see that a couple things changed again. Assignee is gone, status is testing. So we went further in my bug fixing Kanban as well. And now is the time for the testers. So I will log in as Tamara tester. I have Tamara tester somewhere here. Yes, I will log in as Tamara tester. She has also her home page where new bugs which needs to be tested comes here, and Tamara has a number of options what to do here. She can actually inspect, hold the merge request. She can review the code. She maybe based on that decide to use some other testing tools and whatsoever. This is not part of our case. We will just consider that the whole test passed. So again, I have here simple button that test passed, and I'm clicking on that, writing a report about results of my test. I have pre-filled everything, and so the task is done. So the task arrived on its last stage in the Kanban, and now typically once the developers and testers did their job, it is time for the service desk to inform the client about that the bug was fixed. So I can log in again as a Mary. Mary may be notified about that, but she also sees that the possible bug is here, and so Mary can simply inform the client through the thing that was suggested. So there is a predefined template for that bug is fixed. She wants to inform the client, so everything was pre-filled, and the client was just informed that the bug was fixed. And there is some information about where when it will be deployed. So here we have the information. And with this, we are basically closing another scenario for service desk operation. In this one, we saw reception of a ticket, qualifying the ticket as a bug with just very simple way, passing the bug to the developers work how to easily set up a source code management application directly from the Easy8, deliver the code, initiate testing, deliver testing, and deliver information to client about fix and that when it will be deployed. And with this, I'd like to thank you for watching this video and inviting you for the next one. Bye, Slavik out.